Good morning, students. Continuation of the chapter, continuity. Continuity means if a function at x equal to a is said to be continuous, if LHL equal to RHL equal to value of the function at x equal to a, limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit x tends to a plus fx is equal to f of a, or limit h tends to 0, f of a minus h equal to limit h tends to 0, a plus h equal to f of a. LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a means the function is continuous at x equal to a. The question is, show that the function fx equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2x square if x not equal to 0 and fx takes the value 1 plus 3x if x equal to 0. Our aim is to prove that the continuity at x equal to 0. To prove continuity at x is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, first you have to find f of x at x is equal to a. Here x is equal to a means x is equal to 0. All of you look at the board. The function take 1 plus 3x at x equal to 0. Therefore, 1 plus 3 into 0, that is equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1. F of 0 is equal to 1. Now take limit x tends to, say the answer, 0 minus fx. 0 minus fx means x not equal to 0. That is the meaning, isn't it? Therefore, write limit x tends to 0 minus 1 minus cos 2x by 2x square. Okay. Now, putting x is equal to 0 minus means 0 minus h. Limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2 into 0 minus h by 2 into 0 minus h the whole square. Okay. That is limit, one more step, limit h tends to 0, 1 minus 2 into 0 and 2 into minus h means cos minus 2h. We know that cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, we can write 1 minus cos 2h by 2h square. Right, 2h square. From trigonometrical relation, can you say what is the formula? 1 minus cos 2a. 1 minus cos 2a, we know that 2 sine square a. Apply that formula. 1 minus cos 2a means 2 sine square a. Therefore, limit h tends to 0. 2 sine square h by 2h square. Okay, students? Now 2 and 2 cancel. We can write this as limit h tends to 0 sin h by h the whole square. Sin h by h the whole square. Then can you say the limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. What is the result? Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. That is equal to 1. Therefore, here the value is equal to 1. Limit h tends to 0. Sin h by h is 1. Therefore, 1 square means 1. Understand? That is limit x tends to 0 minus or LHL. Now you can take the RHL. How can you take the RHL? Limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means that is also not equal to 0, isn't it? Fx means, right, limit x tends to 0 plus fx means limit x tends to 0 plus 1 minus cos 2x by 2x square. Now convert that, put x is equal to 0 plus h. Now limit h tends to 0, same procedure, 1 minus cos 2 into 0 plus h by 2 into 0 plus h the whole square. That is limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2h by 2h square. Okay, that is limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2h means 2 sin square h by 2h square. Limit h tends to 0, 2 and 2 cancel, sin h by h the whole square. Here also we apply the same method, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x 1. Therefore here also the value is 1. Then write, since limit x tends to 0 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus fx is equal to f of 0 equal to 1. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 1. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equal to 1. Okay. Then you can copy this question from the board. Copy the question. Copy the question. Show that the function fx equal to x into sine 1 by x. If x not equal to 0, equal to 0. If x equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0. Continuous at x equal to 0. Okay. Continuity at x equal to 0, we have f of 0 equal to 0. F of 0 equal to, what is the value? F of 0 equal to 0. Okay. Then you can write limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus fx means x into sin x. Apply limit, put x equal to 0 plus h. Limit h tends to 0. In the place of x we can write 0 plus h into sine 1 by 0 plus h. That is limit h into sine 1 by h. When we put h equal to 0, 0 into any number gives 0. Okay. Then same procedure. What is limit x tends to 0 minus fx? That is also x into sine 1 by x. In the place, remember that point, that is very important. If it is 0 minus, put x is equal to 0 minus h into sine 1 by 0 minus h. That is also h into sine 1 by h. Okay. Here, 1 sine 1 by minus theta. Therefore, minus sine theta, minus into minus changes to plus here. That is why here positive h. That is also the final value 0. Then write the last sense. Limit x tends to 0 plus fx equal to limit x tends to 0 minus fx equal to f of 0. Therefore, the function f is continuous at x equal to 0. You can do any problems in the same method. Understand? Take the next question. Discuss the continuity of the following functions. Discuss the continuity. Fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Right. We can write this fx as g of x plus h of x. Right. Here g of x means sin x and h of x means cos x. Write the next sentence. Since sine and cos are everywhere continuous. Sine function and cos functions are everywhere continuous. Therefore, sum of continuous functions is also continuous, right? Sum of continuous functions is also continuous. Here only one word, sin x is continuous, cos x is continuous, therefore the sum is also continuous. Then what about fx equal to sin x minus cos x? Second question, fx equal to sin x minus cos x. The same reason, put g of x minus h of x. Then write being difference of continuous functions, that is continuous. Understand? We know that already I told you. Sin x is a continuous function, cos x is a continuous function. Then below write being difference of continuous function, f is continuous. Then one more question, third one, fx equal to sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x. Here also the same step. Sin x is a continuous function, cos x is a continuous function. Being product of continuous functions, f is continuous function. In all these three cases, sum of continuous functions are continuous, difference of continuous functions are continuous, and the product of continuous functions are continuous. Okay. Right, the next type questions. Find the value of k, very important. Find the value of k so that fx is equal to kx square if x less than or equal to 2 and fx takes the value 3 if x greater than 2 is directly given. Continuous at x equal to 2. Continuous at x is equal to 2. Okay. Here our aim is to find the value of k. The condition is already given. This fx is continuous at x equal to 2. We know that a function is continuous means LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a means here f of 2. Okay. Here this function takes the value 2 in which line? Kx square. Therefore f of 2 means kx square. That means k into 2 square. What is the answer? Is it 4k? F of 2 is 4k. Then we can take LHL or RHL. LHL, what is LHL? LHL means, take the value, negative value. Limit x tends to 2 minus fx. 2 minus means, all of you look here, 2 minus means negative, kx square. Limit x tends to 2 minus kx square. Here, say the step, k into 2 minus h the whole square, isn't it? Limit h tends to 0, k into 2 minus h the whole square. 2 square 4k, isn't it? The value is 4k. Check the answer. Then write the next line, RHL. What is the meaning RHL? Limit x tends to 2 plus fx. 2 plus fx means greater than. 2 plus fx means the function takes the value 3. Therefore, limit x tends to 2 plus means the function takes the value 3. Therefore, that is equal to 3. All of you right? That is equal to 3. Already it is given, this is continuous means LHL equal to, right? Continuous means LHL equal to RHL equal to F of 2. That means 4K, isn't it? No, 4S. 4K equal to 4, 3 equal to 4K. Take anyone. 4K equal to 3 means K equal to 3 by 4. K equal to 3 by 4. All of you understand? Write the next question. If the function fx equal to 3 values, fx takes 3 values. 3ax plus b if x greater than 1, equal to 11 if x equal to 1, and 5ax minus 2b if x less than 1. Is continuous at x equal to 1. Very important question. Is continuous at x equal to 1? Find a and b. Find a and b. Okay. This is continuous given means at x equal to 1. All of you write that. At x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means in the second line, isn't it? F of 1 is equal to 11. Write the first one. F of 1 is equal to 11. Then limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus, all of you look at the board. 1 minus means in the last line is 1 minus. Limit x tends to 1 minus fx means limit x tends to 1 minus 5ax minus 2b. That is the function. Fx takes this 5ax minus 2b in the negative part. Okay. LHL. Okay, then put x is equal to 1 minus h. Always the same procedure. 1 minus h. Therefore, limit h tends to 0. 5a into 1 minus h minus 2b. That h tends to 0 means, is it 5a minus 2b? All of you check that answer. Is it 5a minus 2b? Always put h is equal to 0. Okay. Then the next line, limit RHL. Limit x tends to 1 plus fx. 1 plus fx means limit x tends to 1 plus. All of you look at the board. 1 plus means greater than 1. In the first line is 1 plus. That is fx is 3ax plus b. 3ax plus b. Then how can you convert this? Limit h tends to 0. Put x is equal to 1 plus h. 3a into 1 plus h plus b. Okay. That means 3a plus b. All of you write that. 3a plus b. What is given? Our aim is to find a and b. But it is given. It is continuous. At x equal to 1 means limit x tends to 1 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus fx is equal to f of 1. When you equate, you will get 3a plus b, one value. 3a plus b equal to 5a minus 2b equal to 11. Got it? F of 1 is 11. Two equations are there. 3a plus b equal to 11. Not 5, 11. Put equation 1. The second one is 5a minus 2b equal to 11. Put equation 2. Can you solve these two equations? If you multiply 2 into equation 1, 2 into 1, you will get 6a plus 2b equal to 22. 5a minus 2b equal to 11. When you add plus 2b minus 2b cancel, 6a plus 5a gives 11a equal to 33 means a equal to 3. Then substitute the value a equal to 3 in the first equation. 3a plus 3 equal to 11 means 3a is equal to, not 3a. 3 into 3 plus b equal to 11. 9 plus b equal to 11 means b equal to 2. Therefore, the value a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Simple question. Write one more question. Find, look at the board and write, find the relationship between a and b so that fx is equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3 and fx takes the value bx plus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous at x equal to 3. The first type problems, our aim is to prove that it is continuous. Here to find the variable unknown numbers a and b. Okay, write the solution. Fx is equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3 and bx plus 3 if x greater than 3. Then our aim is to prove that continuity at x equal to 3. Continuity at x equal to 3 means we have f of 3. Where you put f of 3 in the first line, isn't it? 3a plus 1. All of you look at the board. 3a plus 1. You can do by yourself. Then two conditions are there. One is LHL and RHL. First you take the RHL here. Limit x tends to 3 plus fx. 3 plus means greater than bx plus 3. Okay. By putting x equal to 3 plus h. Then you will get b into 3 plus h plus 3. 3b plus 3. 3b plus 3. Then limit x tends to 3 minus fx means 3 minus means in the first line. Then you will get, there you put x equal to 3 minus h. 3 minus h. Therefore, the answer is 3a plus 1. Now, so the function is continuous at x equal to 3. Limit x tends to 3 plus fx equal to limit x tends to 3 minus fx equal to f of 3. That is 3b plus 3 equal to 3a plus 1 equal to 3a plus 1. Taking the 1 first and second, you will get 3b plus 3 equal to 3a plus 1, or 3a is equal to 3b plus 2. 3a equal to, only rearrange. 3a is equal to 3b plus 2, or you can write 3a minus 3b equal to 2. Okay, which is the required relation between a and b. Okay, students, these are the main type problems from this chapter, continuity. I hope all of you understood this chapter very well. Okay, study well. God bless you.